Hello, my little yarn gremlins. This is Thryss. So today I have a ready to ship sale of some yarn. Everything is bagged and ready to go, just waiting for a label to be put on it. Everything will ship within 48 hours after purchase. So let's get started. These are fingering weight, 437 yards each of merino, $120 for all 6. 200 yards each of 100% baby alpaca, sport weight, $65 for all 4. 437 yards each of fingering weight merino, $80 for all 4. 200 yards each of sport weight 100% baby alpaca, $65 for all 4. 437 yards fingering weight 95 merino, 5 silver stellina, $100 for all 5. 4 ounces of 19.5 micron merino fluff, $35 for the whole fluff. 200 yards each of 100% baby alpaca, sport weight, $100 for all 6. Fingering weight, 437 yards each of merino, $80 for all 4. 231 yards of a DK weight merino. There are 3 here, not 4 like it says, $60 for all 3. 437 yards of a fingering weight merino, $60 for all 3. 231 yards each of a DK weight merino, $70 for all 4. This is darker in real life. 437 yards of a fingering weight, 95 merino, 5 silver stellina, $65 all 3. 437 yards of a fingering weight, 95 merino, 5 gold stellina, $45 for both. Curated trio, 231 yards of a DK weight merino, $65 for all 3. 231 yards each of a DK weight, 95 merino, 5 gold stellina, $80 for all 4. From this lot forward is the special promotion. These 2 hanks plus the following 18 hanks will be sold for $300, which is a $400+ value if they were to be sold separately, if you want to bundle the entire lot together. So I will be taking $100 off, making it $300. I am also covering shipping, and I will throw in a Furls resin hook tray for free if you want to take the entire bundle from this point moving forward, otherwise sold separately. So 231 yards of a DK weight merino, $45 for both. DK, 231 yards merino, $25. DK, 231 yards of merino, $25. Aran weight, 187 yards of a merino, $25. 231 yards of a DK weight, 95 merino, 5 gold stellina, $25. 437 yards of a fingering weight, 95 merino, 5 gold stellina, $25. Aran weight, 187 yards, merino, $25. DK weight, 231 yards of merino, $25. 437 yards of fingering weight merino, $25. Aran weight, 187 yards of merino, $25. DK weight, 231 yards of merino, $25. Ombre dip dye, 231 yards merino, DK weight each, $100 for all 4. Mosaic pack, enough for a large bag or backpack, gray, 437 yards fingering wool, and the 2 color hanks are 231 yards of merino, DK weight, $60 for each pack of 3, and I have 2 packs available. This is a Furls resin hook tray that for the life of me I can't remember the name of, but it was a special release that is no longer available. It is $20 unless you buy the mega bundle, in which case I will throw it in for free. So the email is fullspectrumcrafts@gmail.com, which I will have in the description box below. Like I said, everything is bagged and ready to ship, just waiting for a mailing label after purchase. Everything will be sent within 48 hours of your purchase, and the shipping is already factored into the price, so it is a really good deal. But I will be covering shipping completely if you do the big mega bundle. So I hope everybody has a blessed day, and I will see you guys soon.